Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the Pixeltap airdrop on Telegram. So the first thing to do is to launch the Telegram bot using the link in the description. So once you log into the bot, you will see your dashboard like this and you can start your first mining session by tapping on the button that looks like this. Each mining session lasts 8 hours, so remember to check in at least once every 8 hours to claim more points. You can also earn points by engaging in battles. So tap on fight, and here you can fight with other bots. So to ensure that your bot is fully equipped for fight, you can upgrade your bot by tapping on the upgrade button. So each upgrade improves the attributes of your bot and it costs some coins. So in this case, my next upgrade will cost about 605,000. So I tap on it to upgrade and I've upgraded to level 12. The higher your bot's level, the more rewards you can earn daily and the higher your chances of winning battles. So I tap got it. So to fight, tap on the fight button and wait a few seconds to be matched with someone else. This user has more power than me. So here you will see the circle. Anywhere that I circle, tap on it to increase the damage to your opponent. So the circle is here. I tap on that area to increase the damage to my opponent, but I know I'm going to lose this battle because my opponent has more power than me. Once I lose this battle, I will lose some coins, but if I win, I will gain some coins. You lose the battle when your energy runs out. I can decide to select a new game which will pair me with a new opponent, or I can exit. So I choose a new game. I hope I'll be paired with a weak opponent this time. Make sure to tap on the circled areas to increase damage to your opponent. Try to be as fast as possible when the circle moves to a new area, so you can tap on that. So once your energy reduces to 0, you lose the game. It looks like I'm winning this battle. Okay, so I've won and I've gotten 24,000 coins as a reward, so I exit. So that's how to fight. If you lose some coins. If you win, you get some coins. You can also buy a new pet if you're not happy with your pet. Once you buy a new pet, you'll start from level 1 and you have to start upgrading your pet over again. To buy a new pet, tap on buy a new pet and tap on buy for 100,000 coins. So in this case, I won't be buying a new pet. I'd rather upgrade my pets because I've already upgraded it to a high level. You can also earn points by inviting your friends. So tap on invite. So to invite a friend, tap on invite friends and tap on the copy icon to copy the invite link. You can use that invite link to invite your friends to join Pixeltap. There is also a reward section where you can participate in daily combos and perform tasks to earn more points. To enter the reward section, tap on rewards, and here you can see 2 tabs. There is a tab for tasks, so tap on tasks and tap on each of those tasks to complete them and earn rewards. So I tap on this and tap on start to complete the tasks. In this case, it requires me to join a Telegram channel, so I join the channel. I go back, tap on claim to claim my rewards. So now I've claimed the rewards for doing that task, so you can complete as many tasks as you can to earn your rewards. In the reward section, you can check in daily to claim your daily rewards. So tap on claim, tap on the claim button, and you claim your daily rewards. There is also a daily combo, so to participate, tap on play. So to claim your daily combo rewards, you need to arrange the bots in the right order in each of those 4 empty cards. So you need to know the correct order for the day to claim your daily combo. So for today's combo, the first bot is this. Tap and hold and drag it to this first slot. The next one is this. Tap and hold and drag it here. The next one is this. So I tap and hold and I drag it to this box. If you tap and hold and it doesn't bring out the box you select, just release it and try again. So the last one is this. Tap and hold and drag it to this box. And now to complete the daily combo, tap on the check button. So the higher your bot level, the higher the rewards you will get from the daily combo. So I tap on the claim button and I've claimed my rewards for today. So always upgrade your bot so you can earn more coins daily. The higher your bot's level, the higher your daily income. As you can see, you can increase your daily income by upgrading your bot. You can also log into your Pixelverse dashboard to earn more points. So tap on your profile icon at the top left, click on the button, and it will take you to the Pixelverse dashboard. Tap on go to registration and follow the prompts. You can either sign in using your email or sign in with Google. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions by ticking this checkbox. If this is your first time of logging into the Pixelverse dashboard, you will need a referral code. So you find the referral code in the description. If you don't want to sign into your Pixelverse dashboard via the bot, or you're having issues, you can also sign in by opening the link you find in the description directly in your browser. So check out the link in the description. So once you log into your Pixelverse dashboard, you can set up your username by tapping on the profile tab here and tapping on the edit icon to edit your username and edit your bio. So here you can get your referral code for the Pixel dashboard by tapping on referrals and copying your referral code here, or copying your referral link here, whichever one you want to use. Once you've logged into your dashboard, you also need to connect your wallet. So to connect your wallet, tap on the wallet icon here and you'll see an option to connect your wallet. So once you select the option to connect your wallet, accept the approval request in your wallet and your wallet will be connected. On the Pixelverse dashboard, you can also earn more points by completing tasks. So tap on the menu icon at the top left and tap on tasks. So here you can see some tasks to complete as many of them as you can to earn more points. You can also get a pet in your Pixelverse dashboard. To do that, open the menu by tapping on the menu icon at the top left and select pets. You can also do that by tapping on the drop down menu here and select pets. If you've not selected a pet, you will see the option to add a new pet. You can also change your pet whenever you like by tapping on change bot. Here you can feed your pets. So tap on feed to feed your pet. So I fed my pets. You can feed your pet once every day. So every day, log into your Pixelverse dashboard to feed your pet. On the Pixeltap bot, you can connect your wallet to receive your tokens. So on the End tab or the Rewards tab, you would see your wallet icon. So to connect your wallet, tap on it. So here you can connect your exchange address. There's Binance, OKX, Bybit, and other exchanges. If you don't have an account on any of these exchanges, you can choose the other option, and all you have to do is to provide your Ethereum address here as the deposit address. So I'll be showing you how to get your Ethereum address on each of these options. So if you're using Binance, tap on Binance, choose yes, I have it, and all you have to do is to paste your USDT Ethereum address to receive your tokens. So to do that, open your Binance app, or if you're using a PC, log into your dashboard, but in this case I'll be using my app. So I log into my app. The next thing to do is to find the deposit option. You can find the deposit option on your home tab here. So here you can see deposit, so tap on deposit. If you don't find the deposit option, tap on wallets and you will see the option to deposit. So tap on deposit here. So once you're on your deposit dashboard, select USDT. If you don't find USDT, type USDT in the search bar, tap on USDT. Next thing is to select a network. So make sure you're on the Ethereum network, which is ERC20. Tap on it. And all you have to do is to tap on the copy icon to copy your deposit address. So now you can go back to your Pixeltap bot and paste the deposit address here. So once you've done that, tap on made it. To connect your OKX wallet, tap on OKX and tap on yes, I have it. You need to look for your USDT Ethereum address. So to do that, log into your OKX account. I'll be using my OKX app. Make sure you're on the exchange. To do that, tap on the exchange tab at the top. And now I've switched to my exchange. Okay, here on the home tab, you'll find the option to deposit crypto. Otherwise, tap on assets and you also see the deposit option. So whichever one you want to use is fine. If you want to select deposit, select the option to deposit crypto by tapping on this. And here you need to select USDT. If you don't see USDT here, type USDT in the search bar and tap on USDT. Next thing to do is to select the network. Make sure to select USDT ERC20, which is Ethereum. So here it asks you to deposit to your trading or your funding account. So you can choose which of the accounts you want. You can always transfer funds from your trading account to your funding account. So it doesn't matter. The most important thing here is to copy your deposit address. So tap on the copy icon to copy your deposit address. Once you've copied your address, go back to your Pixeltap bot and paste it here and tap on made it. To connect your Bybit exchange account, tap on Bybit and tap on yes, I have it. All you have to do is to enter your USDT Ethereum wallet address. To get it, log into your Bybit account. I'll be using my app. So on the Bybit app, make sure you're on the home tab. If you're on the home tab, you'll see the option to deposit. If you don't see the deposit option, go to your assets tab and tap deposit. Next thing is to select deposit crypto. Make sure you're on the crypto tab here. So the next thing is to select USDT. If you don't see USDT, enter USDT in the search bar and it will bring it up. tap on it, and now you need to select your network. Remember the network is Ethereum, so ERC20, tap on it, tap on OK. All you have to do now is to copy your address. You can either tap on the copy icon here or tap on the copy address button to copy your address. Once you've done that, go back to your Pixeltap bot and paste the address in this text box. Tap on made it, and that's it for Bybit. To connect your Kucoin exchange account, tap on Kucoin and tap on yes I have it, and paste your USDT Ethereum address in the deposit text box. To get your deposit address, log into your Kucoin account. I'll be using my app. So on the home tab, you'll see the option to deposit. So tap on deposit here. If you don't find deposit, move to your assets tab and tap the deposit icon. Tap on USDT. If you don't find USDT, search for USDT in the search box here. USDT, make sure you're on the crypto tab and tap on USDT. Next thing to do is to select your network. So select ERC20, which is Ethereum. To copy your address, tap on the copy icon here and your address will be copied. So once you've done that, go back to your Pixeltap bot and paste the address here and tap made it. To connect your MEXC exchange account, tap on MEXC and tap on yes I have it. So you have to paste your USDT Ethereum address in the text box here. To do that, log into your MEXC account. In this case, I'll be using my mobile app. On your MEXC app, tap on wallets and tap deposit. Next thing to do is to select USDT. So you find USDT here or here. If you don't find USDT here, search for it in the search bar and select USDT. The next thing to do is to choose your network. So select Ethereum and tap on the copy icon here to copy your Ethereum address. Once you've copied your Ethereum address, paste it in the deposit box here and tap made it. To connect your Bitget exchange account, tap on Bitget, tap on yes I have it, and enter your USDT Ethereum address here. To get your Bitget USDT Ethereum address, log into your Bitget account. I'll be using my Bitget app. So on the home tab here, you'll see the option to deposit. So tap on deposit. If you don't find the deposit option, switch to your assets tab here and select add funds. Select deposit crypto and tap on USDT. If you don't see USDT, search for it in the search box. Next thing to do is to select your network. To select your network, tap on the drop down menu here and choose Ethereum ERC20. Then tap on the copy icon to copy your address. Once you've copied your address, come back to your Pixeltap bot and paste it here and tap I made it. So to add your Trust Wallet address, tap on Trust Wallet and tap yes I have it and paste your USDT Ethereum address here. To get your USDT Ethereum address, open your Trust Wallet app and look for USDT or copy the address of any Ethereum token in your wallet. You can see this token is on Ethereum, so I can copy this address by tapping on it and tapping on receive and tapping on copy to copy the address. So this is my Ethereum address. You can also search for USDT in the search box and you will see several USDT tokens. So we are looking for the one on Ethereum. So this is it. Tap on it, tap on receive and tap on copy. So it's the same address with the MSN address I copied earlier. You can also check out my earlier video during the ICE network mining period on how to get your Ethereum address on other wallets like Bitget wallet, OKX and the likes. So now I've connected my Bybit wallet. As you can see, tap on gotcha. So once you've connected your wallet, you see the wallet icon will change to the icon of the wallet you choose, and if you tap on it, you will see the check mark next to it. So that's it about the Pixeltap airdrop. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Pixeltap updates, daily combos, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. This is the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the link in the description and join some of the hottest Telegram airdrops. So keep claiming your Pixeltap coins daily, collecting your daily combo rewards, logging into your dashboard. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.